Hi guys, thanks for being here with me today. So these are my colours. This is Fairy Floss by TLP mixed with TLP Whitehaven. I wanted it a little bit lighter than it would be on its own. And this is another TLP Pinwheel, which is a beautiful colour shift, purple and blue. So pretty. I've also got Pebeo Iridescent Precious Gold there at the bottom, which I forget to show you. And this is equal parts of TLP Grenache and Maraschino. Creates this gorgeous red. And this beautiful purple is TLP Sequins, which is Interference Violet, Atelier, Dioxazine Purple and Amsterdam Bronze, all mixed together. It's a beautiful colour. My cell activator, Tinting Pearl Titanium White, and just a blob of normal titanium white, which is Atelier. I also put in a blob of Amsterdam Pearl Violet, just to see whether it did anything. I think I've done it before. I also use Rich Gold by Atelier as well, which I decided to use at the last moment, mixed with Australian Floetrol, and that little tiny dustpan I've shown you, that's how I'm going to transfer my swipe, because I'm doing a transfer swipe, but I only want to do it on part of the canvas because I intend to embellish it afterwards, so that's why I'm doing quite a minimal look. My canvas is a 10 by 20 inch, 25 centimetre by 50 centimetres. So I'll put some music on and I'll let you watch.
Hold up just a minute, been looking for some help just to find myself. Yeah, been losing my focus like 1,000 times before. Can't take this anymore, 'cause I've been looking for something to change thoughts into motion. Been waiting way too long. Yeah, waiting just for somebody to love and to surround me and to handle my emotions. I was out waiting for something, and if I close my eyes, it's all been a waste of time. I was out driving every mile, and now if I rewind, it's all been a waste of time. It's all been a waste of time. How could somebody be with someone else if you can't be by yourself? Yeah, I got my problems. Lately I've been fading out, holding out, waiting just for somebody to love and to surround me and to handle my emotions. I was out waiting for something, and if I close my eyes, it's all been a
I love these colours together, and I'm happy with the composition. I think the embellishments came out just how I visualised them. If you like it, please hit the like button, and if you haven't yet subscribed, please consider it. It's free, and then you'll know when I put out a new video. And please share, and any questions ask in the comment section below. And as always, everything will be listed in my description box. You can click on the video title if you're on your phone or your computer, but not if you're watching via your TV. You can't access the description box that way. So thank you all for being here with me. I appreciate every single one of you, and everybody take care, stay safe, and I'll see you all soon. Thanks guys, bye.